This video will show you how to use powerful, yet affordable little SEO tools that can help you rank your site on the first page of Google. You'll learn all about the best tools to use for keyword research, site optimization, and more. You'll also hear about tools that can help make your blog posts more readable and shareable in minutes. Small SEO Tools runs what is perhaps the web's largest treasure trove of premium standard SEO tools readily available for use by anyone for free.
Website link in description. Thank you for watching.